how to turn off show bookmark bar on a Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off show bookmark bar on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after click on it, click layout and menu, and here you will find this one, show bookmark bar. Now all you need to do is just click on it one click, and as you see it have been turned off. Now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.